Welcome to our latest video on the best aftermarket backup cameras. In today's fast-paced world, safety should always be a top priority. As a responsible driver, you need to make sure that you have the right tools to keep yourself and your passengers safe on the road. One such tool that has become increasingly popular over the years is the backup camera. An aftermarket backup camera is a cost-effective and practical solution that can be installed in virtually any vehicle. It not only makes reversing and parking easier but also reduces the risk of accidents and damage to your car. But with so many options available on the market, how do you choose the best aftermarket backup camera for your needs? So, sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the best aftermarket backup cameras on the market. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision and ensure your safety on the road. Number 1. Garmin BC 30. The Garmin BC 30 camera doesn't come with a monitor, so you'll have to pair it with a compatible Garmin GPS navigator to see the camera feed on a screen. But because the camera recognizes the GPS, there's no syncing required, which is nice. If you have an older car without a GPS or a backup camera, you can get two handy devices that work together on a single screen. When you put the car into reverse, you'll see the images from the backup camera. And once you put it back into drive, you'll be able to see your navigation system again. The camera's picture quality isn't great, but the camera itself is rugged and durable, and we like that you can adjust the parking assist feature using the touchscreen on your GPS. Garmin recommends that you have the BC30 professionally installed, because it may require drilling a hole to get the power wire connected to the reverse lights. Number 2. AUTO-VOX LK3. Unlike most backup cameras that show a picture only when your car is in reverse, the AUTO-VOX has a constant viewing option if you power it using the DC adapter in your cigarette lighter, so you can keep an eye on what's happening behind your vehicle at all times. Reverse camera and monitor are connected directly via a 4-pin cable with a power cord connector. Power it to reverse lights for use when vehicle is in reverse gear, or can be powered by directly connecting to a 12V source fuse box or cigarette lighter / power point / ignition switch for continuous use. We wish that the camera were easier to adjust. It adjusts up and down but not side to side. And you might see some color distortion in the monitor in colder temperatures. When it's time to install your AUTO-VOX, we recommend searching online for installation videos, as the instructions that come with the kit aren't very clear. Number 3. AUTO-VOX. As one of the priciest cameras on our list, the AUTO-VOX T9 has a lot to live up to. But with included video recording, audio recording, and a monitor that doubles as a rear-view mirror, this device has it all. We like that it replaces your rear-view mirror, putting your backup camera monitor in a spot where you're already used to looking. When you have it in rear camera mode, you can swipe up and down to adjust the view. There is a glitch that causes a screen flicker when it's in backup mode in some models. The reverse camera powers on automatically when shifting into reverse gear, and it lowers the rear view angle to show you a closer backup image while parking. It has an extremely wide 140-degree viewing angle, which ensures you a more than adequate view of what's behind your car. It eliminates most of the blind spots and won't distort the image. Unlike the other backup cams on our list, this monitor does require some wiring for power. But it's basic enough for DIY installation. Number 4. Swift Hitch SH04. Our favorite thing about the Swift Hitch SH04 is that you can power the camera with a wire or use rechargeable batteries for wireless operation. Its 100% wireless feature means you can truly mount it anywhere, making it ideal for trailer hauling or as an RV backup camera. And you'll get a low battery alert when it's time to recharge. There's no monitor included, but the camera creates a Wi-Fi hotspot so you can use your phone or tablet as a monitor without needing an internet connection or using data. The camera app is designed so you can still receive calls and texts while viewing camera footage. The built-in camera microphone allows you to talk to someone outside the vehicle to help with parking, and the kit comes with a mount for your phone to ensure a hands-free experience. The only downsides to this camera are its narrow 60 degrees field of vision and its less than stellar image resolution. Number 5. eRapta ERTO3. If you're not sure you want to rely on a wireless connection for your backup cam, the eRapta ERTO3 might be a good choice. It gives you the option of either plugging in the monitor to your cigarette lighter and using a wireless connection, or running a wire from the monitor to the camera. The camera's 149 degrees field of view angle is wide enough for a good view, but it's not so wide that the image gets distorted. With the AUTO-P90 image processor, The backup camera provides you a vivid image, which delivers a more colorful and delicate image during daytime and night. The reverse camera with 8 LED lights illuminate the blind spots in the dark, firmly eliminating the safety hazard of reversing at night. It's fully waterproof with LED lights for night vision, though its design might obscure parts of your license plate. eRapta offers 24-hour customer service to help you if you run into any problems.